Same ball. Same ball. Number 7. Tumira. It's good. Number 9. Number 9. Nako ng foul. 0-9. First personal foul. First team foul. Nahuli. Pero nawala na number 1. Foul ulit. Number 7 na yan. Number 1. Pero foul. Number 22. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Number 3. Tumira. Diba na number 22? Number 3. First personal foul. First team foul. Unang tira, pasok. Pangalawang tira, pasok budget. Pass number 7, 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds, undefeated ball. Number 7. 5 seconds to shoot. Rebound number 1. Number 9, sumalaksa. Double number 09. Number 1. Kahuli. It's good. Spy number 22. Ang score 86-82. Lamang ang Isbela. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 14, double. Rebound na number 22. 15 seconds. 8 seconds violation. 15 seconds, 24 seconds, shot clock lang po tayo. Tablet. 15 seconds to shoot. Nahuli, pero kanila pa rin. Foul number 21. Number 21, warning for graduate. 13 foul. Number 9. Number 9. It's good. 3 points. Ang score 86-85. Lamang pa rin ang Israela. Nauli na number 26. Number 26. Pass to number 14. Alim siya. Change over. Lamang ang undefeated. Number 7 na kaya Tawag. Kaya pa rin ang pala. It's good. Number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Sumaksak. Pero pinasa. Number 9. Pass to number 1. Number 1 na kaya. It's good. Pumabati ng nakuha ang lamang ng Israela. 10 seconds to shoot. It's good. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. 15 to shoot. Rebound ng number Tula. Number 22, shooting foul. Number 22, warning for graduate. Warning for penalty.
Bawal mga bata. Sakit katawan yan.
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Number 14, no good. Rebound ng number 88, Southwest. To shoot. For 21, it's good. Number 14, foul. Number 21, graduate. Penalty. Unang tira, pasok. Pasok pa rin ang pangalawang tira. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 7. Number 1. Dalawa sa third, isa sa fourth. It's good. Ang score. All-one tira, pasok. Change game ball. Lamang na ng isang undefeated. Sumalaksak. Nakuha ng foul. Number 14.
20 muna.
Second personal foul. Second team foul. Unang tira, pasok. Pasok pa rin ang pangalawang tira. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Lang na lang isa ang Israel. Number 9. Paso number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 14, Sulaksak, it's through. Ang score, 95-94. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 1 na huli. Still on number 1. Pass to number 14. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Fountain. Sabret. Number 16 running for graduate. Bonus shot by number 14. It's good. Two minutes and 15 seconds. Number 7. Foul. Number 14. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Sabret. Unang tira, pasok. Next game, mag-ready na. Pangalawang tira, pasok pa rin. Just 2 minutes. 10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds, same ball. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Number 14, it's good. One minute and 40 seconds. Ang score 96-100 ka ng undefeated. Kickball, undefeated draw. Number 09, penalty. Second personal foul. Unang tira, wala. Pangalawa is good. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Number 7 na huli naman. Pinasa sa kalaban. Number 7 sa Blacksa. Go, go. Diba number 24? Number 24. Umikot. Tune. Time up at Peter. One minute, 1 second. 19-101. Lamang ang undefeated. Next game. The Boss, Wild Dog. Pasok na kayo. Back to the ball game. Number 14. Number 14, pass to number 9. 55 seconds to play. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 50 seconds to play. Number 14, shoot. 43 seconds to play. 35 seconds to play. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 1, foul. Double foul. 24 ng Gray. 14 ng Dark. Penalty po ang Gray. Number 14, third personal foul. 24, third personal foul. Penalty, ang Gray. Warning for penalty na po ang itim. Unang tira, wala. Pangalawang tira. Ibang na nag-asabay. 25 seconds to play. Nagustuhan na sa laksa. Penalty na rin po tayo. Number 9, pushing foul. First personal foul. tira. It's good. Pangalawang tira. Pasok ulit. Time out! Undefeated. Ang lang score, 1-3, 1-3. 19 seconds to play. 14 penalty. Dalawa time out ng Miss Bella. Huda Boy. 19 seconds to play. Wala na po siya, clock yan.